Hi guys, so let's dive into the treatment planning for this particular case. How did we reach from the start point to this beautiful end point? So the patient walks in with a chief complaint of aesthetics and difficulty and discomfort while chewing. A patient in late 30s. Now, if you see the clinical picture, you'll see massive wear of all the occlusal surfaces and incisal edges are completely edge to edge with a loss of incisal guidance. Now, in such a case, the first question when you are planning comes how to most conservatively rehabilitate this patient, and it all starts with deciding the vertical dimension at which you're going to restore this patient. So now, considering aesthetic phonetics and the available freeway space, we decided to raise her bite by 2 millimeters at the second molar. For the incisal edge position, phonetics and aesthetics are taken into consideration. You can watch my previous reel to exactly get into details of how you decide the incisal edge position. In posterior region, crown lengthening was done to aid some extra tooth structure. For the anteriors, crown lengthening was done mainly for aesthetics and to harmonize the gingival zeniths. The material of choice was chosen to be Emax so that we can aid the bonding that we can get out of it for some extra retention, and also some of the restorations were partial coverage, some of were full coverage. Keeping everything in mind, we went ahead with the preps. The temporaries were given to the patient at the same vertical and aesthetics for about a month, and when everything seemed perfect, the patient was permanently restored with Emax bonded restorations. Most important part that I'm most happy about in this case is that we were extremely conservative. No root canal treatments were done for her, and the preparations were minimal. These pictures that you see are at 1 year follow-up. The patient has been given a night guard and is extremely happy with the aesthetic and function. So I hope this insight of treatment planning will help you with your cases as well. If you have any more questions regarding this, you can put in the comment below. Thank you.